Hey, welcome Zoom, MTC, Trade Trail Troopy, and Berserkeroo. What is going on? Welcome. We've got a fun project for you today. This one I've just found myself, so I don't really know what's going to go on, but I can tell it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get the screen share on. So here we are in the spatial metaverse, and we're in the MTC NFTs and chill call for this week coming up. And I was just posting in here some of these Freemint NFTs that I've been looking at. And this one here, Subway Rats. So click on this Subway Rats and we can go to the Twitter for Subway Rats New York City, right? And I go to the website and I go to the Discord. So I started out in the Discord and you got to verify clicking the green tick. And then to begin your adventure, you will need to find the rat down by the train tracks. And then it gives you the link here to Subway Rat's website. So we've came over here and we've gone down the staircase into the subway and we found the rat and we clicked on him. Now it's enter your Discord name. So we've entered it and it's not been found. So that's good. We're off to a good start. We'll come here and we will copy. You click on your name in Discord, it copies. Now I've got to get rid of that there. And so we'll just paste. All right. Find code, enter, click the vent. Where's the vent? I can't even see a vent. Look up. Is this a vent? Check the vent. Where's the vent? How do you look up? Oh, okay, so you can grab it over here. Is this, I guess, the vent? Something is down there. So they went down the stairs to get in here. And rightio. We're in the subway. Oh, I so badly want to get on this list. Is this the vent? Something is down there. Click on over here. Check the vent. How do I check the vent, mate? Clicking on it. Something is down there. What's this? Okay, there it is. Server access. So we've got the code. Oh, what happened? I didn't get it. So it's there halfway in the floor. Code is 4123, at least for me. So we'll punch that in. 40, what was it? 4123. 4123. We should share it on Twitter because that might help us get on the bloody list, on the rat list. It's called a cheese list on this, not a white list. Just found the key card. All right, let's go. Let's go, Rat Town. Subway Rats. Here comes the train. We're getting on it. We're getting on it, or is rats coming out of the train? Access granted. Yes. Get in. Okay. I want in. Am I in? Shit. It left. Welcome to the underground. Yes. So for the minting of the rats, I was over here in mint, but I'm not on the list. So maybe I'll get on the list now. Access granted. Now what? Is that just to get into the Discord? I guess it might be. Squeak list, full. Cheese list, full. The rat list is full. All the lists are full. Click play and it takes me to the subway. All right, now we've got to work out how to get on this list. Oh, I should share the sounds as well while we're here with Discord. yeah, look at the floor price. It's coming up. It was 05 just before. Now it's 06. So that's like $80, $72. You can buy this one. Sort of. You can't even buy it. You got to make an offer. This one you can buy. $92. Dang. But yeah, this looks really fun. You can stake it. I'll show you the website here in a minute if I can just get on the list. General. All right, so there you go. You can't get on the rat lists, squeak lists, cheese lists. It's full. Bugger. That sucks. We're going to spend $100 on a rat list. What's it called? Rat NFT. We don't know much about it. Probably shouldn't. But I really like this. All right, so let's go have a look. At least we got confirmation. But yeah, good on everyone who did get the free mint for this one. You know what? We got to risk it for the biscuit, eh? It's going to cost me $90. Have I got enough? Need 55. I've got 43. I don't have enough money to even mint this, even buy it. Nothing Ethereum at the minute. Oh, so that must be US dollars. I got 98 Aussie dollars in this particular wallet. I've got 43, so I need another 0.12. How much we got over here? We've got 7. And we got nothing. Go to an exchange and that. Dang it. Subway rats. So yeah, congrats to everyone that free minted Subway rats are now $100 a throw. Yeah. Well, we'll go have a look at the website and stuff and show you what we're all missing out on. So that's just to get into the Discord there. You got to muck around a little bit. We'll go to the About page. Welcome to the Underground. Mint your Subway rat. It's a collection of 10,000 dynamic NFTs living on the Ethereum blockchain. Each rat is unique and grants you access to members-only benefits, allowing you to participate in our expanding decentralized ecosystem. Minting is free, but you will need a whitelist or allow list spot to claim your rats. So we only found this one, was it yesterday or the day before? I wasn't on the list, and now that I've got into the Discord, the list is full. And also, the mint, right? We'll go to the mint page. It's 90% sold out also. So you can be ready. You click I'm ready all you want. And it says here, you are not on the list. And there's 9,150 out of the 10,000 already gone. So these are flying off the shelves. But here we go. Explore the city, right? You connect your MetaMask wallet to immerse yourself in the Subway Rat universe. Participate in games and events using the interactive Subway system. Your NFT is dynamic and will change accordingly to reflect your rat's current location on the map. As we expand in future collections, more cities and features will become available. It's a play and earn, right? As a Subway Rat NFT owner, you gain access to exclusive live games and events, compete against other rats for huge ETH rewards. And you can invest in land. Stations and landmarks are utility NFTs that generate passive income for owners. Earn Ethereum whenever a subway rat visits or moves through a station you own on the map. Maximize your profit by collecting high traffic stations and landmarks. Buy and sell these utility NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea. When will the mint be live? It is 31st of the 7th. So yeah, we were onto it. We were a day late. What is the mint price? It's free, just pay gas. It's going to be released in 3 batches. So when will traveling be available? Immediately after the initial mint. How much does it cost to travel? The price of moving a rat depends on how many stations there are between your current location and your destination. Each station costs a fee of 0.01 ETH, which is automatically sent to the owner of each station. How can I get a station or a landmark? Holders have a chance to be airdrop stations after mint. The many remaining stations and landmarks will be auctioned. So I'm FOMOing. I've got the FOMO. And they're going to donate to low income schools, right? So that's cool. After the rats have been minted. Oh, God damn it. The rarity. So you can put your rat in here and see how you went, and the play. So this is where you can go and play on the actual subway. Here's the subway. Looks to be, I guess, New York, obviously, Manhattan or whatever. So these are the different stations. You got the Brooklyn Bridge, the City Hall. You got Fulton, Wall Street, Bowling, Wall Street, South Ferry, Chambers, the World Trade Center station. So there's no rats there currently and no Ethereum. But yeah, rightio. So I don't know why you want to move your rat around the city yet, but move around, pay Ethereum. I guess there's different games on and stuff, and how many stations you go through, you got to pay all the station owners. I guess it's a little bit like Monopoly in that regards. So none of the stations have had any traffic yet, obviously, because the mint isn't complete. Yes. Yes. Rats to reach 1 ETH after sellout. I am FOMOing. We basically sold out, distributed out. We're mooning. God damn it. Okay, I had 1 rat like an hour ago, and now I have 15. Ratless soul. everyone posting in here. Yeah, this looks really good. I have the FOMO. I'm nearly about to drop $100 on this rat bag NFT. All right, there you go. So that's all I know right now. I'm going to leave you to it. If you want to learn more about this here, Subway Rats, you can find them in MTC. If you're not a part of MTC education, you definitely want to be. Here it is right here. Best crypto education on the planet, bar none. And for now, we'll leave you with it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.